Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Excel into Google Sheets. So I have an Excel workbook here, and this Excel workbook has two sheets, and in the first sheet I have a question and answer section. I have 3 questions and I have 3 cells in the answer section, and each cell has a drop down list where the user has to select an answer. So in the data sheet I have some data here. So I'm logged in into Google Drive, and now I am going to import the Excel into Google Sheets. So I'm going to click on the drop down tab next to My Drive. I'm going to select Google Sheets, then I'm going to click on File, Import. Now I have some options here where I can import the file from. I can import it from My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, or Upload. I'm going to choose Upload. I can drag and drop the Excel workbook here, but I'm going to browse it. I'll click Browse. This is the Excel document. I'll click Open. So it says Import Location. There's a drop-down tab here. I'm going to select Replace Spreadsheet. Click Import Data. So the Excel document is imported in Google Sheets. So these are the 2 sheets here. This one is the data, and this is the one with the drop-down list. So in the drop-down list sheet, in the answer section, I have the drop-down tab here, and the data is here. So the Excel workbook was imported into Google Sheets, and it kept the format. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.